Alright, boys, we're back again. I'm just pissed at myself for today. I knew we wanted to take Asia highs. I mean, it's obvious. If I'm gonna open this bullish, yeah, 4 hours bearish, but we had draws to the upside and we closed well above London highs. Price and relative equal highs on NQ, and then we had a little retrace, this 5-minute pullback, which broke 1-minute structure. My camera wasn't going, boys. Sorry about that. Fuck. Hold on. But anyway, as I was saying, let me get this shit going real quick. Fuck. On camera. Hold. There we go. Alright, so obvious 5-minute made relative equalize, held a 5-minute, and my big mistake was got greedy. Took it on NQ instead of ES. We were close to the highs on ES. I was like, okay, we made relative equal highs. Of course, we're gonna want to push up and hit them on NQ, and we did eventually. So we made that retrace and then broke structure here on ES, and then I entered on the break here on NQ, and then got stopped out and made an SMT and then continued to run. Could have re-entered, but we had no inverse or any confluence like that. And market was overall shit after that. So kind of annoying that we made that SMT, but well, we made a 1-minute SMT here, and then just greed basically. But I'm gonna backtest now. You know, basically that shit was just annoying. Just pissed me off. I gotta lock in here bad because I'm not doing good backtesting either. Tired as fuck right now, boys. It's been a long day. My boys want to go out. I don't really want to go out. Oh, fuck. Whatever, I skipped a Monday. Tuesday, 29th of April. So we're obvious bearish right now. Market opens higher into a 15-minute gap. Hourly swing low before, but we are filling a hourly gap. Not a very strong draw coming off of though. This high, and obviously this low would be the target. Right now I'm bearish, but we gotta wait for market to show us something. Possible SMT. I mean, if we okay, we're bullish now. I mean, filling this hourly gap. Just came off the sweep of that low. Now we're printing bullish structure. Alright, we dude, what's happening with my camera? Pissing me off. Pissing me off, you. All my energy. See where Marco wants to go now that we filled this hourly gap. Alright, if we reverse 5-minute structure. Okay, well. This dude. Some data that came out, throw on those. Still bullish. Inverted the 1-minute gap there. Okay, filling a 5-minute gap. Now is the time we have to rotate up. Shit's ass. Shit is ass. Still holding that hourly. No trades after 10:30, gotta remember that. It's 10:30. So we're not trading. Market was ass anyway. Do you do? Yeah. Keep dumping. Selling off hard. No draws to the downside. Okay, that's just unfortunate. The fact that we have nothing to target is like. It's just annoying. Shit, it's all good. We threw a party, yeah, we threw a party. Bitches came over, we threw a party. I came over, yeah, we threw a party. I mean, that could have been something. I don't know. Tired of this right now. See if we make an SMT and then want to break to the downside. Nope. Just printing bullish. Okay. Stays also ass. Bullish order flow. Slipped out those draws. SMT reverted 5-minute bullish. Okay, did we just invalidate? Okay, we didn't invalidate that. We just took them more. Now we gotta invert the 5-minute gap if we leave one. Like, how are we dumping now, dude? Of course we invalidated that. So filling 4-hour gap. Just inverted a 5-minute gap. These draws to the upside. Getting a little retrace here. Where are we dumping, bro?
You really need to want it to be able to get to that kind of wealth, as it will require you to sacrifice almost everything else in your life. You don't have a family life. You don't get to spend time with the kids. You're hyper-competitive and traveling all the time. You don't sleep well at night for years, and the amount of stress you're dealing with is nothing others will ever experience. Their brain is wired differently. They look at life differently and see life as building blocks. Life will grant you one wish, but you have to figure out what it is and be absolutely obsessed with one wish non-stop for decades. Not sure many people are really able to do that.
Okay, we just took our draws for the day. Okay, this is good. Rotating down a little bit. Building that 15-minute. Never broke structure to the downside. Inverted a 1-minute gap. Let's see if the 1-minute strat comes into play. Okay, if we close above that high. Okay, we broke to the downside. Holding this 1-minute gap here. Let's just wait for a break or closure above these sides. Potential SMT. Another. Okay. We want to invert this gap. Nah, we want to dump. Okay, that's because the 5 minutes bearish. There's no great draws to the downside. Still see, still wait. Okay, 1 minute gap. Inverted the dude. This looks like shit. Dear Bruce, to be honest, I'm just gonna wait till we like close above these highs or do some. Yeah. Broken, yes. Target just be. I don't really like this, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bad R. We have these straws that we could reverse off of. Just wait. Okay. I mean, I don't know why I didn't take that. I'm just like mellow today. Maybe I'm not even just trying to trade, not really. Just trying to sit back, wait for an A+ setup. I like how market was indecisive and it's completely fine not to take a trade. So the highs filled the gap. That's a key bearish identity. But I also just took these lows, made a bullish S&T. I'm holding a 5-minute gap. Indexes are opposite. Just took out that low and this 5-minute low. It's another bullish S&T. Still in that hourly gap. Wherever Holmes is where stops will go. Don't necessarily like that stop placement, but whatever. Yeah. Whatever else happened with the 1.72. You see, like, I gotta put stops, or my strategy says to put the stops. I think I was unprofitable this month. I was. That's what May's for. Trying straight to that low. Really be surprised if market wouldn't want to take it in this session. I didn't even realize I was on the 15-minute, but we took those like 5-minute highs. These equal. The fact that I left equal highs up there is not great. We'll watch where the 5-minute goes. Inverted the 5. And we're about to take that.
There's only today.
Fuck.
And what you do today matters. In the moment, when maybe not even
If we're gonna make an SMT, immediately break back to the upside in a 1 minute SMT. This doesn't follow me waiting for 1 minute confluence, but with equal highs above, dude, I'm gonna mark this out. Looks pretty damn good. This would be fucking crazy. I really want to take this. Follows the 1 minute strat actually. Build a 1 minute gap and then broke back to the upside. Follows the 1 minute strat. I'm gonna take it. Maybe we didn't wait for 5 minutes. But equal highs above, dude. Shit looks gnarly. Yeah. Followed that 1 minute strat where you wait for a retrace on the 1 minute. Your SMTs. Equal highs is a strong draw. Gotta just be more confident.
maybe a flock of birds could cause a rainstorm and everything done could be undone. Maybe things could change.
I need to change this with discretion. I said use no discretion, but I meant I need to change out what I said in my shit because some of it doesn't really make sense. Wait for 5 minute confluence, but when we just took high resistance liquidity, broke 1 minute structure, and then retraced into a 1 minute gap, and then broke out of it, that's the 1 minute strategy. I meant more like, wait, if we didn't take liquidity, I just need that discretion, but I also, just depending on what the market's showing, that's what I need to write.
Yeah, that's the goal, right? I think when I was a kid, anything that would give me any sort of excitement
We're an hourly bearish.
enjoyment.
4 hours about to flip bearish. We have draws below. Why would I not when it's short?
I don't think my family meant to ruin it or anything like that. I don't think they did it on purpose. But
Like even I can right here.
sometimes they try too hard.
Like this could be an entry, but it's way too early.
Or they
Yeah, good.
that they weren't able to keep.
Good thing I didn't enter. I mean, still held that 15. Inverted the 15. Oh, see, this is something that I would need to wait for 5 minute structure for. Yeah.
Remind myself that the sky is
Now,
there is no
I'm
other shoe.
fucking kind of bullish.
It is incredibly difficult because there's always another shoe. I don't know. I think maybe if I could provide more amusement.
Draws look way too far away to be trading
To provide for others.
against this trend. I would just want to be right in here, right with this 30-minute gap and high. So I'm not gonna take this. Wonder if it would have banged. Now we just took this high. Let's see if we want to inverse the 5. Okay, now it's looking like we're gonna take that high. Oh no, let's see. No, okay, good. I think I didn't take it.
another life, this may have been different.
And look at it, we're really strong bearish order flow, came at fill to 5 minute and then immediately inverted the 1 minute with strong displacement. Maybe I can target 4-hour EQ. Let's see where that is. Yeah. Whatever, I'll just set this crazy ass TP. I kind of want market to dump, or I expect market to dump. Yeah. There's no way we still don't come down. Yeah, I mean, just quite unfortunate. I'm just gonna chalk that one up. Just statistics. Unfortunate. Just had tight stops. So close. It's data high. I think it's data high. No. It's a random one in high, I guess. Took it off market open, made an SMT, broke structure here, inverted the 5 there. Higher time frames, looking necessarily not in any particular way, but we have one in low there. We have this low and then this low. So I mean, like we're trending bullish, but we're also filling this gap. There's not really a next draw here. So I'm gonna say for now, price wants to be bearish. See if we want to come up into this gap and break structure. No, we do not. I could take this as a gap fill. I mean, filled a 1 minute gap. Came up for a little retrace and then closed below these lows. Put wide ass stops on it because our target's actually decently far away.
Why would a god take orders from
Let's put it
anyone at all?
above the 5 minute gap.
All powerful, invincible, and stronger than a whole team of Avengers, which includes at least one god. So, but I'm starting to think maybe you don't know what I am, or what I'm capable of.
Actually,
Maybe I
hold
need to
up.
show you.
We just took swing lows right here. So I'm just gonna wait a minute.
Aren't you
I'll
tired?
wait for that retrace, thankfully.
Let me help you.
Waited a little bit. Let's see if we wanna, yeah, would have gotten stopped. Thankfully I noticed, so we just took these lows.
You all know
Just gotta be paying more attention.
Emptiness. It's what you said.
We're actually not that far away from those highs.
All of us.
Just filled a 5. Let's wait for the break.
I was roaming around Southeast Asia. Then there's this guy that can make me stronger. I'd finally get to show everyone that I was more.
I'll just wait for the break on NQ now.
What you unleashed. The most
Just
changed
chop work.
was thinking you could be anything more than nothing.
Now on straight dumper. Didn't even take the 5-minute high, which is
You think they care?
crazy to me.
You don't know.
Alright, well, that's a wrap. We made profits. Only took 2 trades in 2 weeks. Kind of mellow, just looked at the market more. I love you boys. Thanks for watching. The funding tomorrow, because I said that yesterday. How about we not gonna pass the funding tomorrow? Some reverse psychology on it. Love you boys. I'll catch you in the next one.